What is up, everybody? Man, this is your boy Elevated Travels. Go ahead and hit that like, drop that subscribe, man. We out here in Venice Beach, bro. Sunny day, so I said, you know, we gotta get out. We trying to see some attractive ladies today in the sun, chill, relax. Venice Beach. Let's see what's going on out here today, bro. What the hell is she doing, bro? She turned wide like she thought she could park right here, right? And then she's like, oh, oops, can't park right there. All right, man, we out here, man, trying to have fun and chill. What the fuck is this broad doing? I'm gonna let her go. I ain't got time, bro. I'm telling you, black women drivers, bro, I tell you. Oh, here we go. Get out of her way again. Get out of her way again. That's it. That's right. Oh, they having some basketball stuff going on, bro. Let's get over there real quick. Oh, almost ran right to their picture.
You can still pick up your shoes anytime.
What they got going over here, man? They got going over here.
Calling all ballers. Head on over to the main court.
I'm a baller. Man, if I would have known this was going
Head
on,
over to the main
you
court.
can't
All
tell me.
ballers.
You cannot tell me,
Let's get
bro.
this day started.
Oh,
It's a
damn,
beautiful
bro.
day. It's her shot.
Whoa, they got this whole thing is, why did they got it like completely cut off, bro? Hey, man. Hey, look. Hey, I'm guessing they don't, it's not just for everybody. I don't know, bro. Oh, he got the surround, baby. I always look at his bikes and shit right here. Yeah, nice bikes. Damn, bro, they hard. Nice view of Venice Beach. Should be about what, 11:30? Nice little chill day out here, man. Go ahead, drop that like, drop that subscribe. Let's see if we can get to some bikinis. What the hell? I hope they separate. Thank you. Before I had started coming out here, I hadn't, you know, on the bike, even before I even started YouTube, I hadn't been out here in about 12 years, at least. Oh, right. Got a nice jogger. Hey, fellas. Oh man, I sure would get me a Laker towel since I don't see a Philly towel. They're probably like $30 at least. Okay. Yeah, I done seen a couple of females, blondes, that you would only really see in a movie or something. What you get for being nice to black people? All right. Almost ran over his little action figures. What the fuck this nigga doing? The herd is coming from this way, bro. Hello. I mean, sitting against the tree, chilling. They got a little flag football going on. Let's peek. Let's peek. They always got some like gymnasts, some yoga. There'll probably be some stripping classes going on around here. And she'll probably be teaching it right here. Going over there. People be holding all kind of like outdoor classes, kickboxing, stripper classes, all kind of stuff, bro. It's crazy.